80s classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and one for the Buick fans. Take a look at this 1986 Buick Grand National, and best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 26,526 on the odometer right now. A lot of miscellaneous paperwork go along with this. I'll hit on it in just a little bit. First of all, underneath the hood, of course, the 3.8 liter, turbocharged, V6, and this one is nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot, as we get a good look at the grille, headlight surrounds. Of course, the painted to match front bumper. Paint shows well on this one. One other thing I want to show you, this is a CF5 equipped car, so it does have the factory installed Astro roof. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the ARE mesh style wheels, black with the polished lips, Michelin radials. Now, as far as paperwork, I mentioned the paperwork as we take a look down this passenger side. That you can see is not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. This is going to come with a copy of the dealer invoice. There's also a copy of the first purchase agreement along with this car. This car appears to have spent its entire life in the state of Indiana, and it appears to be a two-owner car. I can confirm that it has two owners, and the miles have also been recorded on some miscellaneous service receipts and things that have been done to this car, and that will go along with it. And then the Carfax also confirms no accidents, no mile indications over that 26,526. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So again, that original dealer invoice, and that is confirming this is a true GN, which would be your WE2 RPO code, and then again that CF5. Pretty rare option. There's no actual confirmed numbers of Astro roof cars, but according to people at GM from back in the day, they figured about 10% roughly got that Astro roof. So again, if there was 5,500 of these made in 86, you're probably looking in the 500 range somewhere is all. As we look up and down this driver's side, again, you can see that paint, great reflection in it. Has a nice shine to it, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may have a little spot where it's been touched up. It is black, maybe a little pebble chip or what have you. I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. Something like this right here on the hood. But again, very, very minor. If you like Grand Nationals or maybe just Buicks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Always fun to check out. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. You can also see those window on each side, driver's side and passenger side window, have been tinted. So know your local and state laws on the percentage of window tint that you can have. All right, check this interior out. It's absolutely incredible as far as condition of it. A few more options: power windows, power locks. We also have cruise and tilt column. Power seat over here on the driver's side. The condition of the floor mats in great shape. You'll be able to see the carpeting in the still pictures. As far as wear on the seat, very, very little wear. You can tell this car was well maintained, well cared for. Like I said, that folder that comes with it has the owner's manual, the original one in it. There's a Buick showroom brochure. Again, there's miscellaneous paperwork from service. Locking lugs on the wheels. The socket is in the glove box for it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, so I'm going to roll these windows down because we're going to get a little better look at this interior. We'll get more light in here with the tinted windows down. There's your exact miles, 26,526. Of course, the digital display. That is in kilometers. There's your miles per hour. Top of the dash, looking good. AM, FM, cassette player. Stereo working great, as you can see, automatic with overdrive transmission. And let's go ahead and check out the sunroof. That does open, obviously. Power works just fine. And I want to give you a good look at this interior. Look at that. And you'll be able to see it in the still pictures too, but interior, extremely nice shape. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounds like a stock GN, just the way you want it to. Alright, let me pause this a second. I want to show you this engine bay real quick. And we will have Jason drive this car too, show you how it goes down the road. So stick around to the very end of this video, but first let's take a peek at the engine bay. Alright, hood popped. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Appears to be original hood liner on that too. You can tell this car's not been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. Babied. There it is. A 3.8 liter V6. Turbocharged. Charger cooler down here. Air cooler. Look at that. I love the sound of these Grand Nationals, and this one sounds just the way it should. AC's been converted from the R12 134A. Nice, just stock, clean looking engine bay. There's a battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between dries. Batteries from 922, so not very old. Good looking engine bay, nice, clean, and tidy, just the way you'd want it. Your local roll-ins, local shows, you won't be embarrassed about popping the hood on this beauty. So clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles of 26,526. 1986 Buick Grand National. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, a CF5 Astro roof equipped car from the factory. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1986 Buick Grand National. These are always fun days driving these cars. If there's any flickering from the digital on our dash, that's just the camera's frame rate, that's not the car itself. The car's digital dash is looking great. Love to see the turbo power light light up on the dash right there. And you feel the torque. These are fun cars. Now this one's got, as I said, digital. The fuel tank showing that we have 8 gallons remaining, 47 miles per hour because I'm behind a semi-truck right now. Stereo sounds good in this car. We got the heat blowing on a cool winter's day in Minnesota. This is an automatic right here on the center console. I have a glass sunroof over my head. Cruise control is working. Great looking car, inside and out. That stark contrast of the black and silver. These cloth bucket seats. Leather on the steering wheel. These cars are iconic. In their day, the V6, powered by the turbo, pushing some extra air, they were beating a lot of cars for speed records. And this one is no different. You just hear that slight whine and you know, oh, something's different about that engine. Corners great, corners nice and flat. Let's get in the lane, we can hit the throttle in again here. Yeah, nice firm shifts from the automatic. Puts you back in your seat a little. What a fun car from 1986. The Buick Grand National. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.